Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is it's not late, but it's late in mom terms. It's like 7 right now, and my in-laws are here, and there's TV in the background and everything, but I came into my office to get like a quiet spot because I'm about to start putting together some stuff because tomorrow is Adeline's birthday party. She doesn't turn 3 until the 29th, but we're celebrating tomorrow. Got a lot of stuff that needs to be put together, and we've been doing it all day long, but this is the first chance that I'm getting to actually talk to the camera. It's been a long day running errands. So I'm actually about to put together the party favor kits right now, and they've got some really cute stuff in them.
Doesn't make any sense to me, but who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I couldn't love you back the same way you've been loving me always. Please understand and take my hand. Say you won't hold this against me, 'cause I can't help that I'm feeling this way. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is all.
Okay, it is the day of Adeline's party, and we have everything set up, so I wanted to show you what we have going on so far. We actually have a little petting zoo, and they're setting up outside, so I'll show you a little bit of a clip of that. And we have a inflatable obstacle course as well, so things are coming together, and it looks so cute. I will link all of the stuff and the vendors in the description bar so that you guys can check them out. This is just a little party animal balloon inflatable, but over here is the extreme cake table setup. I am so in love with this. We did get this giraffe specially for this little setup, but we've got the balloons going, and then I put some greenery in there, and then I hung some greenery from the sides. This background was obviously custom, and it's so cute. So here is the cake from Haley Cakes. I added the little animals in the balloon topper, and we've got these gorgeous flowers from the Flower Girl. The zebra back there is actually a piñata. And then I scattered some little mini cupcakes. I put out some party hats. The confetti actually says her name, and then some of them have a 3. The plates are adorable too. They're each a different animal. All right, so over here we have this amazing charcuterie. I did get kids cups. We are having catering by Chick-fil-A, so I did get these little kids cups for the lemonade for the kids. Here are some drink cups for the adults. They're also, all the animals are different on these. And then some little wine or champagne cups right here. And then these are gonna be the drink buckets once we ice everything down, which we need to be doing right now, but we don't really have a lot of ice. So we're waiting on the ice right now and the Chick-fil-A. Over here are the favors. So they each have a little favor box. Y'all saw what I was putting in them. They each have a little favor box. Adeline's has her cute little name. And then they each get to take a little bundle of cookies. And then I did also do some jungle themed masks. Okay, so they're setting up a little petting zoo out here. It's called Tiny Tails to You. And then that is the little jungle obstacle course, inflatable obstacle course that we got. And you probably recognize the new trampoline in the back. That was one of Adeline's birthday presents. Here, Adeline, get your mask on. Here you go. All right, you guys want to put on a squirt of hand sanitizer for me? And then whose birthday is it? Your sister's birthday? It's Cricket. Oh my goodness. I give you Cricket. I'm gonna put her on your lap. There you go. Oh, Adeline. We have another bunny. His name is Toffee. You're gonna give him a little pet? Oh my goodness. Pet Toffee too? Alright. Oh, how adorable. What was that? Adeline, what do you think, honey? And this is a guinea pig. Alright, we're gonna let your sister hold each of the animals since it's her birthday. Oh my goodness. You want to hold Cricket? Here you go. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, that is the cutest thing ever. Oh wow. And then this is Beasley the hedgehog. He feels a lot like toothpicks. There's a little pokey, but he won't really hurt you. Oh, you want to hold Beasley? Perfect. Make sure you hold on to your mat. Oh yeah, baby. Pull your mat up so he doesn't slide off. Good job. Wow, Adeline. And then this is Leia Slowhawk. She's a tortoise. Good job. Do you want to hold Leia? There you go. Oh my goodness, what do you think, Reezy Bear? Look at the bunny. Oh my god, he's sticking his head out of the basket. How cute. The bunny. Oh, look, there's the lizard. Do either of you guys want to pet the lizard? Oh, good job. Is she rough or soft? Soft? Wow. And rough. Do you want to pet the lizard? What's the name? Alright, let me take the ears from you. Why the medicine? That's for the animals to eat. Oh, what do we say whenever an animal jumps off? Yeah, go animal on the loose. Animal on the loose. Adeline, put your... Oh, the chinchilla! Jeannie the chinchilla. Oh, it's got a big mouse. It's a big mouse? I mean, she's kind of like a big squirrel. All right, the food is here. Chick-fil-A, we've got spicy chicken sandwiches, we've got nuggets, we've got mac and cheese, we've got sauce, and we've got lemonade. Coke Zeros for the win. You know whose house this is?
Bad for you, my eye.
And our Queen Tara has arrived. She's in this phase where she does not want me to let her down at all.
She doesn't want me to hold her? She's so confused. Like,
yay! I don't know. I'll try. Oh, you're gonna go under? Wow, that's smart. I'm gonna go in the middle. Okay, you go on that side. I'll go on this side. Okay. It is a hard one to do.
Yeah. But let's right
I'm good. I'm alive. And here we go. That was fun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adeline. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Woo! Good job! Cake! Yay! The birthday girl!
Happy birthday. Alright guys, it's Monday now and I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog. We have just finished getting everything cleaned up and put back together. As you can see, the house is starting to look normal again, as if there was never a birthday party. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.